So now I'm going to show you how you can set up your music practice in Notion. So let's say you have a title with the name of a song to learn and multi-select for the artist and URL for link to learn the song and a URL for the song itself. And it's actually really smart here that you can save the part of the song or the tutorial that you're currently at, so you can start right where you left off. So this is the part that I'm learning right now, and you can just click share and then start at this moment and then just copy that and insert it here. So URL for the song, to learn the song and the song itself, and then select for the status, whether it's to do, idea, or learned, or something you have analyzed, and then multi-select for the type, so whether it's a song, resource, lick, or something you can play at a jam, and then the instrument, if it's something you can play on guitar, piano, or something you can sing. So the idea is just to, when you have these properties, it's just about filtering them. So this one is filtered by to do, and so the status should be to do, and then the learned songs, that's just where it's filtered for learning or learned. So this is just the way all these views are made. It's just filtering for a specific property. So all in all, I have like the to do for things to do, and I have learned songs for songs I've learned, and I have ideas for songs to learn, and I have some guitar licks I want to learn, and songs I can play at a jam, and songs I can be singing, and songs I've analyzed. So this is just a table inline. To create it, you just add one of these and then add the properties one by one, and then you make the views. This is a table, and then you just do the filtering according to what it should show. Like this one is just status is analyzed. Okay, so I guess that's it. That's how to do it. And if you want to see similar videos to this one, then comment below, and yeah, subscribe if you want to see more videos, and like this video because it's good for the YouTube algorithm. So see you in the next video.